If you're tired of waiting forever for your oven to preheat just to make a quick snack, or ending up with soggy fries from your microwave, you're not alone. For a lot of people, quick meals either take too long or just don't turn out right. That's where the Black+Decker Crisp in-bake air fry countertop convection toaster oven comes in. This is aimed at busy students, small families, or anyone who wants faster, healthier cooking without committing to a full-size oven or a separate air fryer. It promises crispy, oven-style results with less oil, all in a compact countertop design. But does it actually make everyday cooking easier, or is it just another kitchen gadget that looks good on paper? First impressions are pretty solid. The stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern look that doesn't feel cheap, and it fits nicely on most kitchen counters without taking over your entire workspace. It's compact, but when you open it up, there's enough room for 4 slices of bread or even a small 9-inch pizza. For most day-to-day use, that's more practical than it sounds. The controls are refreshingly simple. You got 2 knobs, one for the timer and one for the cooking mode. No digital screens, no complicated presets, just straightforward functionality. That might sound basic, but in real life, it means you can walk up and start cooking without thinking too much about it. The build overall feels sturdy, especially the door and the knobs, though it's still lightweight enough to move around if needed. When it comes to performance, this is where things get interesting. The air fry feature is the main highlight, and it does a decent job. Using the included mesh tray, hot air circulates the food, giving you that crispy texture you'd expect from deep frying, but with far less oil. Fries come out golden, frozen snacks cook evenly, and even things like paneer or chicken get a nice outer crisp without drying out too much. It's not identical to a high-end standalone air fryer, but for most people, it's more than good enough. The baking and toasting functions are surprisingly reliable. Toast comes out evenly browned thanks to the even toast technology, and you don't get those annoying burnt edges with pale centers. Baking small items like cookies or reheating leftovers works well too, especially when you don't want to fire up a full oven. It heats up quickly, which saves time during busy mornings or late-night snack sessions. Noise levels are minimal, which is something people often overlook. It's not completely silent, but it won't dominate your kitchen with loud fan sounds either. Cleaning is also pretty manageable. The crumb tray slides out easily, and most of the accessories can be rinsed quickly. Just keep in mind, like most countertop ovens, you want to wipe down the interior occasionally to prevent buildup. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The 30-minute timer can feel limiting if you're cooking something that needs longer, since you'll have to reset it manually. The interior, while spacious for its size, still isn't meant for large meals or big families. And while the air fry feature works well, it doesn't have the same power or precision as premium air fryers that cost significantly more. Another thing worth noting is heat distribution. While it's generally consistent, you may need to flip or rotate food for the best results, especially when air frying thicker items. It's not a deal breaker, but it does require a bit of attention. Compared to other appliances in this price range, this one sits in a really practical middle ground. Basic toaster ovens are cheaper, but don't offer air frying, while dedicated air fryers can deliver slightly better crisping, but lack the versatility of baking and toasting. This model combines both worlds reasonably well, making it a strong value choice if you want one device to handle multiple tasks. So, who is this actually for? If you live in a small apartment, a hostel, or just want a secondary oven for quick meals, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially useful if you enjoy crispy snacks but want to reduce your oil intake. On the other hand, if you regularly cook for a large family or want top-tier air frying performance, you might want something bigger or more specialized. At the end of the day, this isn't trying to replace your main oven. It's trying to make everyday cooking faster, simpler, and a bit healthier. And for that purpose, it is a pretty convincing job. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your setup, you'll find the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. There's more honest, real-world reviews coming your way.